The jungle is full of dangerous surprises.
Hey, wake up! Rhinos!
Especially if you awaken a grumpy ape too early.
Hey, we've got to stop the stampede now, so... Hey!
My plant fuel formula will revolutionize space travel.
If your baloney science works, I'd better be up there to explain everything to the clouds. And I'll bring them a cream pie.
Clouds don't talk or eat. But that pie looks delicious.
A potentially explosive experiment plus our dads? This is gonna be a good time.
I'm glad we got here early. Dads?
Oh, ow! Ow! Oh, oh, ah! Hey, Bugs, shoo!
Chewie.
Good work, George. Those rhinos almost ruined our dad's rocket launch.
What'd I miss?
You're snoring! Oh!
Good morning, Mr. Sunshine. Hot coconut milk? Suit yourself.
Nothing feels better than a morning workout.
Yeah! Except a new lip gloss. Oh, and one of those hats that turn up ever so slightly to give you a mysterious look.
Why are you so grumpy this morning?
Snore, ape, snore, snore.
So, if he does it again, just wake him up and tell him.
For the love of all things, George, don't make me do that! No!
Are you afraid of hurting his feelings? You guys are best friends. He wouldn't mind. I'll show you. Magnolia.
Yes?
When you eat bananas, it makes a squishy sound that makes my skin crawl, so can you stop? Thanks. See? It's called tact.
Hey ho, friends!
Oh, Ape! We were just coming to get you. I want to show you something.
You wanted to show me a bunch of sleeping warthogs? Fascinating.
Boy, they sure snort.
Yes, they snort a lot.
Yes, they do snort a lot.
Yes, they do.
Some animals wouldn't be able to sleep around all this snorting.
Well, the snorting would keep them awake.
I think you hear what I'm saying.
Yes. You're standing quite close to me. Well, thank you for the stimulating conversation.
Mission accomplished.
George can't take it anymore. No, George's finger. We have to be strong. Hey, no snoring. is confused. Oh, George gets it now!
George, we can't take any more of this snoring.
Do you even know how long it's gonna take to depuff my eyes in the morning? Do you?
Oh, there's a bug in Ape's nose that's making him snore.
That's it? A stupid little bug?
George can't get it out.
Let's take him to the doctor's.
I am afraid what we have here is a case of the extremely rare nasal-dwelling sinus fly.
In the jungle, we call it the Bugeski.
Using this formula, I will enlarge the nose. That way we can walk right in and remove the intruder. How strange. Maybe it's past its expiration date. Oh!
This is awkward.
Great. I guess Ape is just going to keep on snoring forever.
George has an idea. Here, Buggy, Buggy, Buggy. George has a nice big nose for you to climb into. Did I mention it's the king of the jungle's nose? Tickles. But now George will snore too, and not be bothered by Ape. So far away from the jungle?
We couldn't take one more night of your snoring, so we banished you forever from the jungle. Love your best friends.
Oops.
I don't get it. Snoring? This is about a little snoring?
Actually, big snoring. Ape snores like a hippo with 2 pigs up its nostrils, while huge horses chew on marbles right in your ear.
Really?
While riding a motorboat past a log sawing contest.
Really?
But Ape has a bug up his nose that makes him do it.
Really?
And also, you hit when someone tries to wake you.
Now that's just silly.
George misses sleeping in his comfy bed. We've got to get these bugs out. George, tired.
Ape tired.
Jeez, who can sleep around here with all this wreck? Hey, Elmer, you over there?
Yeah, Marty.
Can you sleep?
What are you, crazy?
Let's get out of here.
I hear you.
And so, finally, quiet return to the jungle. And everybody and every monkey slept like a log. When you're George of the jungle,
George,
being king of the jungle is a full-time job.
we're late for band practice.
The responsibilities are many. And the challenges are great. It's a messy job, but somebody's gotta do it.
Allow George. What's next? Where's George next? Where, huh? Where?
If you're gonna keep up this crazy schedule, well then what you need is some rest.
Oh, but George isn't even sleepy. Oh.
George.
What's next? Bee milking? Yoga class. Swedish clock dancing? Yumpity yumity, yumpity yumity, yump.
No yumping, no yiminy. You need to rest.
You need a vacation.
Vacation?
Yeah, somewhere where your life's not run by the sundial.
My family has a tree share in the South Jungle. They have the softest beds in the whole world.
But who's gonna watch the jungle while George is on vacation? Oh, see? Someone has to sweep that down. And check and see if any worms were hurt, and then glue a new leaf back on the tree. And if a tiger wants to fight, you have to make him count to 10. And, oh yes, and 10 in tiger is...
George, we've got it covered.
Maybe George could take vacation right here and...
Go!
If one thing in jungle goes wrong, fix it right away or else... 2 things will go wrong.
What are you doing? We've got a jungle to run, animals to save.
Right. I just thought I'd, wait till I heard an agonizing cry for help or maybe got an email. Right. Let's get started. According to the Law of the Jungle, Section 1, Subsection C... Hello there, little fella. I'm the temporary king of the jungle. Yow!
Oh, well, Tookie, it's not as nice as home, but it'll have to do. Tookie, Tookie!
Temporary king of the jungle must assist any elderly person who needs help crossing the... Aha! No, madam. Let me assist you. There you go. Huh? Stop!
Ow! Now that's more like home. Except the dishes are done.
Are you George, of the jungle? Log rolling starts in 5 minutes.
Oh, that's just how Ape would tell George to hurry
Okay, listen up. I need everyone to form a neat line. Serious problems in front.
Let's just take them by section. I'll start with this guy. Now, what can I help you with? Oh, dear. An injury. Oh.
What do you need? Your comb? Oh, we'll find it. It's around here somewhere.
This is a Rocco nut. I can't open it. Hard like rock, see? Do you have a rotary saw?
Hey, I've got this one. One of my daddy's potions will help.
Oopsie. Let's try a chisel.
Try this one. Oopsie again. Rats? Why is this happening to me?
George usually rips them apart with his bare hands. Just trying to help.
Maybe you could lick the tasty outside. Mmm.
If you can't eat that, have some of my experimental, organic, totally good for you raw salad.
What's in it?
Stuff I found just lying on the ground.
If Ape were here, he'd tell George not to throw animals.
Whoops.
Cookie, cookie.
I got you! If only Magnolia were here. She'd probably turn this chair into a decorative hat. Oh, and find a pair of shoes to go with it.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
Rocks are better for a house than wood. We're talking ancient technology. Big Bad Wolf, 3 Little Pigs, hello.
Do you need some water?
No, wait!
Cookie, cookie. Cookie, cookie.
No, Dookie's right. That would have been a lot funnier if friends were here to point and laugh at us.
What's going on?
According to jungle myth, if the stone of Throck should ever fall, the volcano of Throck will erupt.
Oh, please. All because a spooky-looking rock falls over? Okay, show's over, folks. Everybody back to... Okay, it's real.
We have to call George.
No way! He's on vacation. We promised him we'd take care of everything.
You're right. He's probably having so much fun.
Abe, are you there? It's George. If you get this message, I hope you're having a nice day. Time for George to go home.
Bad lava. Heel. Roll over.
Magnolia, get on!
Hiya.
George! Okay, we know some of this looks bad, but it could be worse.
Except for the part which is...
Way, way worse. Yeah, there's some flames and beavers and lava and screaming buffaloes.
Yo, George is so happy to come home to panic, friends, and chaos. Here you go. George smells the mythical volcano of Throck. Okay, who moved the stone of Throck? Gucci
How did he do that? Who cares?
Oh, boy. I really miss this place.
Well, it's great to have you back, George. And we'll see you later.
Huh?
Yep, we need a vacation.
Listen, here I come.
Wait! I missed you guys! Wait!
I miss?
You're snoring. Oh.
A good time.
I'm glad we got here early. Dad?
My plant fuel formula will revolutionize space travel.
If your baloney science works, I'd better be up there to explain everything to the clouds. And I'll bring them a cream pie.
Clouds don't talk or eat. But that pie looks delicious.
A potentially explosive experiment plus our dads? This is gonna be...
Hey, Bugs, shoo!
Chewie.
Good work, George. Those rhinos almost ruined our dad's rocket launch.
The jungle is full of dangerous surprises.
Hey, wake up! Rhinos!
Especially if you awaken a grumpy ape too early.
Hey, we've got to stop the stampede now, so...